Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back with another Amazon unboxing for this Friday, March 9th. We made it through the week. Hope everybody is safe. We have an unboxing to do. I'm using that new tripod from the other unboxing. This thing is pretty sweet. And now, we got something from Amazon. Can't wait to see what's inside. The links are going to be down below. You guys get one at low cost. Then we have here, there we go. What do we have here? Oh, here we go. Edifier. Edifier's Bluetooth stereo headphones. Bada boom. I can raise you guys up a little. Point you guys down. See, my other tripod didn't have these features. Look at that. Boom. And what do we got here? Tablets, mobile phones, computers. 75 hours of playtime, 800 hours standby. Alright. There's the 3 colors. And then, alright, here we go. Now we're going to get inside this thing, see what it looks like. There we go, nice and easy. Bada boom. Got the Bluetooth action. And I'll probably be getting the Galaxy 9 pretty soon. Let's test that out. Let's see how that goes. There we go. Somehow. Boom. Oh man, we got the 3.5 USB charge. Here we go. Oh, these are nice lightweight. Let's see how they feel on the ears. Alright, these are good. Nice tugged Bluetooth. Thing somehow. Let me see if I could find the switch. Okay. You can pull these up like that. Boom. Might have to charge these. Oh, there we go. There we go. Nice lightweight. Perfect for the gym. Taking your hikes for running. There we go. Playing basketball. So there you have it, YouTubers. Wireless Bluetooth Edifier headphones. Check them out. Links are going to be down below. You guys have a good weekend. I'm not sure if I will see you guys tomorrow. Depends, but I'll be doing a giveaway pretty soon. So stay tuned for that. And like I said, check these guys out. Take advantage of Amazon Prime. Here you go. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. See ya.